Alright, today we have the Neat Ideas Super Seeder gardening tool, and the idea is you fill it out with seeds and then you push the button on the top and it sort of deposits them. So it's for seed trays and that kind of stuff. This is how it comes. This is the packaging. Some instructions. I think there's a few companies that make this very similar product. They tend to be quite expensive, about $10, something like that. I think I picked this up for about $6 or $7, but it feels expensive for what it is, but I also think it's probably a really good tool, so happy to pay it. Let's take the staples out. Fast forward this bit. So staples removed. I do quite like it when they have staples. Just shows it's not been opened before. So let's remove the sleeve, and there's the product. Let's just take it out. That feels fairly decent construction. I mean, it is plastic obviously, but it actually feels quite good quality. So better quality than I was probably expecting. We've got this little seed bobble. Not sure how that comes off. Don't really want to force it. I'm sure it does come off quite easy. Let's undo this one. So there's a little seed presser. As I press the button, it presses that. Not sure whether I need to cut this bit, or I assume it slides off. It seems to twist, so maybe it just pulls off. Let's get that back on. Obviously can't function with it on. There we go. So it's nice and firm. So what happens if you look on the inside, you can see there's some grooves here. Let's open it up. You see those grooves, so the seed sort of travels down, I guess gets into one of the grooves and then sort of finds a little space out, and then as this pushes down and up, it sort of wiggles it out of the tip. We'll have to put some seeds in it and give it a whirl and see how well it does that, but that is how you use it. And that is the Neat Ideas Super Seeder. You can see here there's a little ridge, and that's where this clips on. Nice and tight. Good quality construction. This is good.